Crafty. I've gotten a couple of questions from people wanting to know how I got the Rhinestone font into Cricut Design Space. I did it just like I do any other font. I went and got a font from the Rhinestone world. I opened it. I clicked install. That installed it onto my computer. Then I went into Cricut Design Space. Here, I already had Design Space open. So I typed in text. I just typed in new font. And then I went to go look for the new font that I'd installed. And when I searched for it, turns out it wasn't showing up in Cricut Design Space right away. So I just ended up shutting down Design Space and reopening it. And I am doing a voiceover, so the video may be ahead or behind me. But anyway, I reopened Design Space, retyped in the words new font, and then I found the font that I'd installed. That's how I install the font. Some people have been having trouble with it. I don't know if it's us having different computer systems. I don't know why the font wouldn't be compatible with you. Somebody said that their Design Space said that the font wasn't compatible. I don't know why that is. So I thought I'd just show you guys how I did it. And I think I'm actually ahead of the video here. Sorry about that. Here's where I find my font. Anyway, once I find the font and it turns it into that Rhinestone font, I do it just like I did in that video before where I showed y'all how to use the font inside. Use a Rhinestone font inside Design Space. You type your text, choose the Rhinestone font. Once the text is typed, handle any spacing issues that you have. Like here you see the N for new and the F for font are way away from the rest of the words. So I just adjusted those. And then once I was done adjusting it, I welded it. And then I went to the contour button. I selected hide all contours. When you select hide all contours, there will be one contour or one image that will still be visible. So it's not going to hide them all. It's going to hide all but one. And so in this case, we want it to hide all but one of the little circles for the stones. And once it does that, you're going to change the size of that circle to the size rhinestone that you're wanting to use. So again, here I'm going to use size SS10. And for that size, I'm going to make the circle 0.135 of an inch. So it's 0.135 by 0.135. Once I make that change, I go back into the contours and I hit show all contours. Once I hit show all contours, the words new font will reappear and all of the circles will be 0.135 by 0.135. From there, you proceed to make your Rhinestone font. Now here I'm ahead of the video again, so I'm just going to use this time to tell you I'm doing a voiceover because this video is very chopped up because it takes a long time to get through this. So if it's taking you a long time, don't worry about it. It's nothing you're doing wrong. Good luck, you guys. Happy stoning.